Hello everyone, this is MJ and you're at my channel called Planning This Life. Planning This Life is where we talk pens, planners, productivity, stationery, hobonichi, all those things that we love and hold dear. Today, I'm going to share with you a new pen that I picked up, and we're going to talk a little bit about Fountain Pen Day. So stay tuned. Welcome if you're brand new. Welcome back if you are a long-time subscriber. My name is MJ and this is my YouTube channel called Planning This Life. So today I would like to make a recommendation, a suggestion to anyone that wants to move beyond an entry-level pen, meaning like a platinum preppy, a zebra fountain pen, a disposable because they're not really disposable, but you know what I mean. So when I first started getting into fountain pens, I was recommended TWISBI ECO, and I was also recommended Lamy. Now, say what you will. Everybody has their opinion, so this is just my opinion, so calm down. I found that I completely enjoy writing casually, meaning journaling, to-do lists, writing stories, whatever, with the TWISBI ECO. I really love these pens. I love these pens, not just for the color releases, the combinations, you know, there's a little hype behind that. I get that. But it's a solid pen. Like, it's a solid pen. So let me just change the setting on here so I could give you like a little bit of a close. Okay, so we'll go in order of acquisition. So there's going to be video feed for my latest acquisition, and this is the TWISBI Carrera. And it is a stunner. It is a stunner. So stay tuned. That's coming up in this video. Then I have the TWISBI Serpentine. I believe this is in bronze or rose gold. It might be bronze. It's lovely. It's lovely. This is filled with burley wood from Birmingham Pen Co. You can see the color right there. These hold so much ink. And I think that's one of the reasons why I love them so much. It's a reliable pen. It takes a licking and it keeps on ticking. And they're cute, they're stylish. Now, I know I've seen people that have collected all of the colors of TWISBI. When I tell you that there are so many different colors, like, it's amazing. Whoever is on TWISBI, like, they're doing their job. But people have collected all of them, and then they open up these great cases and you see all the colors. And I mean, it's very impressive. Very expensive too, but very impressive. My first TWISBI was this one, and this is white. And this is filled with gray ink. They're just lovely. So you have the red caps on that one, and this one, and this one too. The grip is nice. The ink flow is nice. Now, I like a watery ink. So Birmingham Pen Co., fantastic. As long as it's not shimmer, sparkly, anything like that, I will put them in here. This one has Jacque Herbin. You'll see that in the video. This one has Hongdian gray, and it's a lovely gray. The pens with the details, the exclusive, you know, collection that has a little more to it, are more expensive, okay? They're in like the $50 range. This, I think, is in like the $30 range. If you are looking to get into moving beyond what you currently have, I think they're fantastic. I use them for my journals all the time. I just wrote with this one today. I could have it sitting there for a month, I come back to it and it writes like I just inked it. So I don't have a lot of negative things to say about TWISBI, except that they're addictive. So in this video, I'm going to show you my latest acquisition. We're going to do an unboxing. We're going to fill it with the ink. Now, Fountain Pen Day. Fountain Pen Day is Friday, November 7th. It's international. So no matter where you live, there's somebody having a fountain pen sale. I'm going to be posting all of the things that I find on Fountain Pen Day. So right now, I'm going to tell you Atlas Stationers are having a sale. I am an affiliate with Atlas Stationers and I have a code. They're giving more of a discount using that code. I believe it's 20% and not 10%. Pen Chalet. You could get lost in their website because they have so many giveaways. They have so many freebies. You just need to sit down with a cup of tea and sit down and spend some time going through Pen Chalet. Now you have to enter your information and all that kind of stuff, but if you're comfortable with doing that, you might win a really nice pen. I'm sure there's specials on pens as well. Where else do I shop? So Atlas Stationers, Pen Chalet, Yoseka. I don't know what Yoseka is going to be doing. Yoseka is in Brooklyn, but I will research it tonight. And if they're having specials or sales, I will be putting posts up. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed, you're not going to see the information. Who else? Jet Pens. I'm not sure what Jet Pens is going to be doing, but I'm sure it's going to be something. They should have something, a freebie, something like that. So your bigger stationery, that was a bird. Your bigger stationery places are going to be celebrating. Gold Spot, we'll check Gold Spot. We'll check Esterbrook. We will check all of the usual suspects. But for right now, I would say Pen Chalet has the most fun on their website. Atlas Stationers second because of the discount. Let me know in the comment section down below, where is your go-to pen place? I'm sure I'm missing something because it's early in the morning and I can't, I'm just going by my memory. Okay, so enough of me talking. Let's get into this little lovely. And it's so good. It's so good. This is an extra fine. And the one thing that I love about this is the detailing. And this little speck right here, when you look at it in person, it looks like it's a feather in 3D. It's so, so beautiful. All right, stay tuned. Atlas Stationers thank you card as always. Just lovely. One day, I'll be there. One day. All right. So yes, I have been on Stationery YouTube for a year. And I put a poll out with you guys asking about what your favorite black ink was. And I took a look at all of the responses. And I think for a starting black ink, I went with this one. And this is the Pearle Noir from Jacque Herbin. So how this purchase came about, I actually use the Shop app. I don't know if you guys do or not, but in the Shop app, I received a $20 off coupon for Atlas Stationers. And I said, is this legit? And it was, and I used it. And I also picked up some cool washi tape, some very retro looking washi tape. This is by MT, the classic. And this is Mosaic Grayish, although I don't really see like a lot of gray, but it's beautiful. Okay. This is the TWISBI that I had my eye on. And this is specifically for using black ink. This will be my 4th TWISBI, and this is in extra fine. We have all the usuals of a TWISBI package. Do you service your TWISBIs? Let me know in the comment section. I think I need to start doing that. Look at how beautiful this is. Ugh. It's just stunning. Look at that. It's almost like a feather. It has like a 3D effect to it. Oh, what a gorgeous, gorgeous pen. And there we have the nib, an extra fine. I do enjoy journaling with my TWISBIs, I'm not going to lie. Piston filler. The one thing I love about TWISBIs is the amount of ink that they hold. Amazing. So let's fill it up. Here's the ink again. Thank you everyone for your suggestions. This is the one that kept creeping up and up and up and up. But I am also going to explore other black inks in the future, so no worries. I think this is my 4th Jacque ink. And I do enjoy writing with them. And there we go. Lovely. All right, let's fill it up. Okay. Like, no joke, you have to get it at an angle. For me. What am I doing wrong? Let me know. What a stunner of a pen, honestly. It's gorgeous. Okay, let's swatch the ink. My little fox stamp. Perfect. I do love it. My first black ink, viewer recommended. Love that. It's very nice. Let me know your thoughts. Have you used this ink? What is your favorite black ink, in case you never saw that short that I put out there? Let me know in the comment section. All right, I will turn it back over to myself. Let's just get one last look at this gorgeous stunner of a pen. Look at that. I can't get over how brilliant that looks. It has a 3D effect, like it pops right out of the film. Gorgeous. A beautiful, beautiful pen with fantastic ink. Thanks, everyone. Happy anniversary. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Remember, it is a good day to be a fountain pen person tomorrow. I'm giving my husband a Christmas wish list. You know, this is a great day to shop for someone that you love. Shop for yourself if you want to treat. If you want to expand your horizons with writing, fountain pens are the way to go, man. So much fun. So much fun. I've been in this hobby for over a year now, and I still get excited as soon as I sit down at my desk to journal every day. Give TWISBI ECO. Ooh. See, and it didn't break. If you know, you know. I'll put a card here. Give the TWISBI ECO a try if you never have before. All right, everyone, that's it here from me. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, let me know in the comment section what you're going for on Fountain Pen Day. I hope you were all doing well. Make sure that you were taking care of yourself so you can take care of others, and I will see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now, and happy shopping. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see my posts. Bye.